So I got this for all my shrimp and my snails to just basically kind of supplement them when they get my algae under control. And you get two happy customers right there. So shrimp love it and the snails love it. And kind of give you a better idea of actual size. Kind of hard to see. Let's get it closer to the aquarium light so you can see what they actually look like. Let me take a couple out. And that is what each little piece looks like. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.